We have a system of equations and we're going to write the corresponding augmented matrix. So we'll have one row in our matrix for each of the equations, and in our matrix essentially the first column will be the coefficients or the number parts on the x's. The second column will be the coefficients on the y's. Third column will be the coefficients on the z's. That would make up what would be called a coefficient matrix. In the augmented part, then we also want to include these constant terms that are on the other side of the equal sign. So let's go ahead and start with our coefficients. So in our first equation, on x I have a 3, on the y I have a 4, and since there is no z term, I'd put a 0. There's 0z. And then to indicate this is an augmented matrix, we typically write a vertical line here in place of where the equal sign is in the system. And then our second equation, 0x, 2y, 3z, and an 8 on the other side. And our third equation has a 4 on the x, and a 0y, and a negative 5z, and a 7 on the other side of the equal sign. So notice in the matrix that we're only using numbers, we're not using any variables.